Title: Group. The power of togetherness. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word group. A group is a collection of individuals who come together for a common purpose, interest, or goal. It signifies the strength and synergy that emerge when people unite and collaborate. Pronunciation. Pronouncing group is simple, group, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a group of volunteers work together to clean up the local park, making it a more enjoyable place for the community. Importance. Groups play a crucial role in achieving shared objectives, as they allow individuals to combine their efforts and resources to create a more significant impact. Conclusion. In summary, group is a word that represents the collective power and potential that arise when individuals unite with a common purpose. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, acknowledge the strength of groups in making a positive difference in our communities and the world.